Karibu, Your Excellency.
Haya, tuketi tafadhali, can be seated. Good morning. Can I hear? Good morning. Not yet. You were here? All right, I'll be very brief so that you guys you can catch lunch in the Siende Valley sana. Our visitor, Madam Usan, the Deputy Governor, Honorable Speaker, Honorable MCAs, county officials are present, and distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to read a small statement I have here, then I make a few comments. Then, because I have a long day, I drove from Nairobi in the morning just to catch up with you guys here at this moment, then proceed to join with the President. Is coming to a neighbor county of Migori. Mtu yote asikuja hapo karibu, wewe wachana mambo mtu, watu wamezoea. Relax. Yeah, I was saying that we are going to join with the President in some of the projects that is launching in Migori tomorrow, Homa Bay, the day after tomorrow, Siaya, then Kisumu. Given that now I'm the leader of the party of ODM, when the President is around, I need to make sure my house is in order, the whole region, and that's why I have to be there. Allow me to say this. This is a momentous occasion where we officially unveil the initiation of a building of a new ultra-modern county headquarters. I'm particularly delighted today to officiate the groundbreaking ceremony of proposed office block, which will be the seat of the county government of Kisii. As you are aware, the office of the governor is currently housed in the old municipal town hall in the premises of the county assembly, and it's now that we are embarking on construction of a new office block for the county executive. And the resolve to have a new state-of-the-art office block is a legacy undertaking coming 12 years after the onset of the revolution in 2013. It is important to know that we have a major challenge in terms of office space at the headquarters, which impede service delivery. I can tell you, when there are some directors and officers who don't have office, some are operating in the corridors. Some don't come to work completely. They're operating from their homes. They have taken that advantage to till their land, not on service delivery. Therefore, it's on time that in 2 years, the contractor, you've assured us that we'll have this building. I'm happy that it will be in my first time in office. In the current situation, the departmental offices are scattered across the town, while the few available office spaces are crowded with staff, making the working condition unbearable. To instill visions on service delivery, staff motivation, and ease of supervision, we invest a one-stop spaces, modern open office layout block with all departments and the county service board operating under one roof. This will equally make it possible to install and manage the automated clock in the system at the headquarters complex, in which we will also adopt an open door policy. We also intend to incorporate other convenience amenities such as breastfeeding rooms, restaurants, banking services, and a Huduma center for the comfort of all staff. there are people who are thinking, we are going to provide that room. If it's possible for workers who don't have maids, we'll provide. You wait until we have it. We'll make sure for the ladies who are working with us, you will be, because you are our mothers. And again, we'll make it comfortable for the young ones who have been born. Ndio naambiwa ndio watoto wakuwe wengi. Therefore, you can be sure we're going to make it comfortable. Restaurants will be around. Looking forward to have it as a state-of-art block. The project is set to be completed within 24 months, and I asked the project manager or management team to work closely with the contractor so as to deliver the office block as soon as possible. And I want to direct the contractor, please don't listen to anybody who comes to ask for kickbacks, because this has been a culture, a very bad culture. You can alter one block. I'm so happy that even the bars that you're using, you know, I've never seen this one. I'm told is what? D25. The highest is the D32, which does 100 floors. Therefore, D25 is closer to what we are having. And I want to challenge the contractor, because there is another site where we came with the president hardly 2 weeks ago, or 3. Is it 3 or 2? 3 weeks. Then the contractor has not taken oversight completely until last week when I walked there, found the field is empty. I spoke to the president. I think after he was spoken to, he brought some 2 machines. I want to check on it today. His project is 3 billion. How I wish the 500 million will outshine the 300. But he is going to account for every penny. We're not going to give him room, because I'm told the contractor has bad manners. He does some work. He has done some work in Bomachoge, Burabu, left him on the way. He did some work in I don't know, Bomet. He didn't finish. Hapa tutamwambia kwamba atafanya hiyo mchezo. Ni afadhali aende tupate mtu mwingine kama hawezi fanya kazi. Because he started that way, he stops on the way, he goes to court. This one will not allow him to do that. But for our contractor, I want to thank you that within 2-3 weeks now, I'm happy that we have done substantive work here. Go ahead, we'll support you to make sure you have done that work. At the time, or at the same time, to create a seamless, conducive working environment across the sub-counties, we intend to repurpose the sub-county headquarters and the ward headquarters to improve service delivery. Mheshimiwa Ombachi, Mheshimiwa, because you said of Marani, everyone has said Mheshimiwa Paradiso, I can assure you that we're going to make sure those places also they are conducive. If you went to Marani, there is a big building there which is not finished. You'll allow me for another 1 year, God willing, when we have gotten money enough, we'll finish all those projects for service to be given to our people. In light of this, we are set for the completion and the renovation of all office blocks in all wards and sub-county headquarters in the county. Not missing my words, I came in, I found that even there is the governor's residence, which was awarded to some contractors at 45 million. That gentleman has done work of 8 million and he was asking for 45 million. And QS Nyakundi knows this. The good thing that he behaved, we terminated. Again, no work completely, because that building, he was asking for 45 million, whereas he had done a work of 8 million. But I'm happy that we terminate that work and there is a new works that is going to start. Therefore, again, engineer, ile ukoro unajua tuliwacha, si ndio? Hata una engineer anambia tuliwacha, and that's how we want to work. Allow me to say this. We're going again to have, God willing, there is a process which is going on. I don't want to divulge the more information, but we're going to have some modern block in town of 12 floors, which will change the face. And is the county is going to do that. Until then, I'll be able to let you know what is it and where, because we are spending close to 5 billion Kenya shillings, money that will come from our partners. Madam Husana, we want to thank you. FAO, you gave us close to 100 million for this GIS block. When we went to Viga, I had to ask them, can you trace my home in Motonto? Indeed, with that lab in Viga, I was able to trace my home on Motonto. With this one here, be sure, we can easily monitor you if you are coming to work or you are not coming to work. But that's not the intention. The intention is what the representative of FAO has given us. Allow me again to point out for sure, I know there are so many people who are employees of the county who are not reporting to work. We want to assure you, we have all the reports. Them are lawyers. After we caught up with them, they have run away. They have resigned and run away. Some directors, I want to ask them, before we fire you, you better run away. We fire you, you'll miss your many years accrued. What do you call it? Kama ambia hawa ngwana kwa sababu wako wengi tu. I got it and I'm surprised. There is no work going on. And I'm happy. Wanasema miaka mbili uende nyumbani. Nyumbani, I'll be here for another 8 years. Let us deliver. You've been given an opportunity. You are the only person. There is no another person in your place. Please, let us deliver for the people of Kisii. Fix the Kisii. Counties will follow you. Kisii as it was. I'm telling you, all bankings to Kisumu Central Bank, 60% was coming from Kisii. Insurance, security, from here and the back. Then they saw it fit for us to be open this new central bank. This is the one which was holding Kisumu. We have 32 banking institutions. Kwa hivyo ukiwa hapa, fanya kazi na maringo. I want to, this space, the whole of this space, including the Elim Center, we have agreed with the proprietors. They are moving out. This will be the headquarters. We'll be having enough space. Kwa hivyo elimu, Mungu akipenda, by January we have agreed, watakuwa wameondoka. Everything has been done. Sindio QS? Yeah. Kwa hivyo we are looking forward kwamba this place, contractor, you will have enough space for you to operate from. Again, with ATC, we have what we call material recovery facility, where we have gotten close to 180 million machine for separation of waste here. Hopefully, and I want to ask Waziri, when are we having the machinery? When is machine coming in? So 3 months. Yeah, huyu waziri na yeye ndio mama, najua mpaka nilihakikisha kwamba ametuzwa na rais wakati wa mashujaa. She's one of shujaa wetu. Ni mama wa nguvu sana. She's a career servant, waziri, ili uchafu yote, kwa sababu wewe ndio unasimamia uchafu yote, na kuomba hakikisha kwamba we have finished, we have finalized on that project. Last week I was there, checked on the contractor, niliona akiendelea kazi nzuri. I hope he's there as I'm talking, because he did promise that he is going on this week. Kwa hivyo wewe nitapita huko tena. I want to see what is going on. So, finally, allow me to say this. Mheshimiwa Mbati, I want to thank you. I sent you to Nairobi, to the Lands Commission, and you did a good job. Now, Suneka, we have the 5 acres back to the county. And I want to promise that honorable members, Mkuyo, Mheshimiwa Leader Majority, Leader Minority, we have to look for money. Those are the 2 stadiums which are just within that we can build. 5 acres in Suneka, I'm happy they went there. Amkulegarega, mlifanya kazi nzuri. Nashukuru sana, na sijalipa deni yako kwa sababu ulienda na mafuta yako, nitatafuta mafuta nilipe wewe. Kwa hivyo nashukuru sana, because Mheshimiwa Mbati, they traveled with then Waziri, thank you, because you did a good job for defending, and I'm happy that Kenya now, they are only our tenants. Tutawapea mahali tunataka. Hiyo maneno nashukuru sana. The QS and your team, I'm happy that you have assured me the BQs they are ready for roads, not for roads, for all constructions. Engineer Mugambi, I'm told all the queues are ready, but there is one condition which the MCs they have just mentioned here. Hao watu wanafanya kazi ambayo ni mtu analeta tu tractor, anapitisha, anamwaga mchanga, whereas the BQs explains clearly where drainage is supposed to be done, what works to be done. There is no payment. And Weshmiwa, if a road is done poorly in your place, it's not satisfactory, please report it back. We will not pay. No that. Hiyo ni iko hivyo tu. Si watu wamepiga kelele mpaka wameinua mikono juu. Now I'm not going to allow any payment for work which has not been done. Kwa hivyo Mheshimiwa hapa, Mheshimiwa Paradiso, wewe kuja niambie yoyote, akwe rafiki yangu, akwe dada yangu, ndugu yangu, hakuna biashara, lazima kazi ifanyike. The BQs again earlier, they are not engineers. It's for you to give us what works must be done, if that money again is good enough. Hospital, I want to say, because the signal problem, and this problem is that the national government, through the member of parliament, they want to construct, they want to procure their own contractor. Remember, health is done what? Devolved. If they were to give us the money, and I've told the president so, if they were to give us money, it's us to procure. Therefore, we have already procured, but the member of parliament is refusing that he must do another block. For is a debate. I'm going to say this. Waheshimiwa, tukipata kwamba these guys, we are 300 million, we'll build that facility. Again, itakuwa the modern one. Ngojea tu hii mother child inaisha na another 1 month, ndio mtajua kwamba kazi inafanya hapo hospitalini. Allow me to end there and seme kwa Kisii. No mugoko sana nga yarani the media you'd want to hear this. ninde no mwoko sana nga twa launch the headquarter ye county aiga asobole mo no bolange na cancer center egendete kwa gachu tingmos negendete ko endande koros negendete abantu bukorwe wiki yaeta na agenda oronka nyoranga muntu yatamete kurworo ekiraire 200 actually 300 million 320 million is in his account, but he has not started, and the project is 3 billion. Ese project to a roll contractor once revia watote biringe ko iremeti enyi emeronge bere nene eyere myaka ebere etogo sabanga egasi yakolekane abakoli bonse gasi be account no bawo cha go operate ko wa chi department chonspi no chiwo cha ko operate ko ga igaba abantu bali nyabako nyakuminyoka umuntu agocha ogenda okora matatu gali ocho sign biashara bine mbiyo aigo lazima emashini ero robosi bwago ekumanye emanye na wasoire naende go kwenda range ogende mashini ekorole naende sana ne korole kwenda naende ekorole naende chinsa ikomnemu ekorole kera kwenda be prepared for that. Igonya abantu bali batataite gukora gasi nga bataite kuimo kurwega ojo sign ogenda ralia migoli ojikoni emes biashara bya korek biere ekero kugenda iskuras mimanyikane ngasi ko chokora. And we are going to do this even at the sub county level because abantu abange mbali okora gasi abananchi mumanyita abantu umuntu no chinsi ya gasi meketugoye na chiakoni karo mokoli gasi be county. Kendo kyo mwele ndatote hanga tutaite tuakire fao mbia muno mashini batu bekile labu batu leo serigalia ne labu igoja gotoro kia malimaito nga kiale investors bakuru no evale ngumbu na matukali umontange ngumbu au tomachibesa woche simumro mwabo ko stato mwabo olia umongaina nge building ye neighbor nere agachire biashara ebyo senya sai ka wanje wikumwa kumu ye byakorere byere ekiagere system fao yatoire ekoro kirobolemu ngikegendere toro igono ya investors se bagocha kwanza kokolega siabo koleta chibesa aiga without batabwatu babonde wens. Because the lab, I want to thank again the FAO team. You don't know how it will help our people. Most of our people from the US used to send money here. Their parents, their brothers, then they decide to pick pictures. They take pictures of the neighbors' constructions. Whereas he has been sent around 10 million. By the time the guy comes to the country,